Hi guys! So, for another vlog, bumalik kami ng Manila after 2 years. We stayed in BGC West. Before kasi BGC South yon. And the feeling is still the same. The clean was really clean. The ambience is nice. And we booked in Agoda ahead. So, it was convenient. Ito naman, for the first stop, pumunta kami ng Sizzle and Plate sa Pobla. This was unplanned, but it was a good stop. Ito naman, Art and Island the next day. Pumunta kami ng QC. And then, everything was really cute there, guys. Like, lagi kang merong makikitang magpapapicture ka, magpapavideo. Cute naman talaga yung place. At ayan, umawara nga tayo. Medyo OA. Pero ang cute talaga dun, guys. Heads up lang, magdala kayo ng medyas or magbabayad kayo ng 150 pesos each for that. Tapos, pumunta naman kami ng Encanta Cave. And, ayun din, chill naman yung place. And, not that crowded nung pumunta kami. So, saktong tao lang. Yan, PBB. After that, Binondo na kami. And then, NB10 for the first stop. Actually, pumunta rin kami ng Veggie Select.
Fried frog legs with garlic
We tried the
sauce.
fried frog with garlic sauce, oyster cake. Ayan. Alam niyo yung feeling na nakikita ko lang yan before sa mga videos na sa YouTube, sa TikTok. So, ayan. Tapos, napuntahan na namin. And, in fairness, yung fried frog with garlic sauce is really okay. It tastes just like manok. Just like what everyone else is saying. Ayan. Binondo at night. Pumunta rin pala ng Lord's Toast. And I think mas favorite ko pa rin yung abaca dito sa Cebu na tart. Ayan. And then, dito naman, the next day, pumunta kami ng Tagaytay. Medyo maaga kami gumising, sorry for that. At saka, kasi gusto ko talaga na pag pumunta kami ng Starbucks sa Hiraya is marami pang vacant seats. At saka, luckily, nung pumunta kami, yes, marami pa nga talaga. Actually, nung after ko mag-order, nag-start nung dumami yung tao. Thank God naman hindi kami nahirapan kasi yung line talaga umabot na sa labas. And this is what we got. Ayan. Malaki nga naman talaga yung place. I'm just not sure if this is the largest only in Manila or maybe in the Philippines, but I heard in the Philippines daw. Nakakaloka, nandito kami sa
Oh my God. Abi na ko chill ra siya,
Ferris
guys.
wheel dun
Kurang
sa
siya. Dugaya, ani mo.
Sky Ranch. At akala ko talaga na chill lang.
Uy,
Naloka
nag-stop sa
ako
ubos
pang
no.
pagdating sa itaas. At eto pa nga kasi, nagmamagaling. Akala ko hindi ganun kataas yung, diba? Ayan na nga. Nag-zipline pa ako, girl. At umiyak ako sa itaas. Diba? Ewan ko na lang talaga. Tumuloy yung luha ko sa itaas. Habang nagtatawanan yung mga tao at yung kapatid ko na nag-video nito, as you can see, he's really laughing. Ayan. FML, Bulaluhan sa Mahogany Beef Market. And okay naman yung timpla. Okay naman yung pagkain. Ayan.
Gari may nag-order.
Tapos, pauwi muna kami para magpahinga. Kasi, gagala pa kami. And then, nung evening na, pumunta kami ng tawag dito, Hungry Homies. Ayan, masarap, chill, worth it. Katabi lang yan yung Flow all-day drinking. Parang yun yata yung right name. And, cocktail lang kami ng ganyan. Chill lang. A little bit pricey for each class, but I think it's okay naman for experience. And then the next day, eto na nga, for the last day, breakfast. Actually, nung breakfast namin, nag-take out lang kami, nag-grab. And then, yan, Caravan Black, nung nag-lunch na. After that one, pumunta na kami ng Rockwell. Actually, maulan pa nga eh, pero hindi naman ganun kalakas, which is fine. And, ayan. Hintay-hintay lang. Hindi naman ganun ka-traffic kasi nasa BGC. Then, ayan, Rockwell na. Punta kami ng Chili's. Kasi yung kapatid ko gusto na namang makikain. Ayan, pinabigyan bago umuwi. Ayan, doon na kami sa airport. Ako, pabalik ng Cebu. Kapatid ko sa Cagayan de Oro. Sinao naman yung flight niya. And, actually, delayed pa nga itong flight na to eh. Ewan ko ba talaga sa airline na to. But anyway, ayan na nga. Nakabalik na rin ng Cebu after maybe almost 2 hours. Ayan. And then, ayan. Nakuha ko na yung luggage ko na matagal-tagal rin namin hinintay. Ewan ko anong nangyari. Tapos, pero ang importante, nakauwi na ng safe and sound. And thank you guys again for watching. I'm back in Cebu. Bye!